Team Exercise 137, Human Bingo. Human Bingo is an icebreaker for groups of 8 people or more. It works best at the start of a workshop when people do not know each other yet. Here's what you need: 1 bingo card for every player and a pen. This is a human bingo card. 5 columns and 5 rows. 25 squares in total. Instead of numbers, every square holds a statement about a person. Has a dog. Speaks 2 languages. Plays an instrument. Has run a marathon. Your job is to find a colleague who matches the statement. When you find that person, they write their name in that square. The same person may only sign your card once. Give the group 5 to 10 minutes and let everybody walk around the room. For example, Chris walks up to Katie and asks, "Do you have a dog?" Katie says yes. So Katie signs that square with her own name. Next, Chris asks Sam, "Do you play an instrument?" Sam says no. Nothing gets signed and Chris moves on. Then Chris asks Lena, "Do you speak 2 languages?" Lena says yes and signs the second square. Chris keeps asking until 5 squares in one line are signed. That line can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal. All 3 count. The first player with a full line shouts bingo and wins the game. When the game is over, ask the winner to read out the names and to ask 1 extra question about each name. For example, Chris asks, "Katie, what kind of dog do you have?" Katie answers, "A beagle, and his name is Max." Then Chris asks Lena, "Which 2 languages do you speak?" Lena answers, "English and Hindi." The trainer guides the team and applies variations to the exercise. What kind of variations you can read below this video on YouTube. And haven't you subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button for a new team building game each Sunday at youtube.com/teamexercises to improve cooperation and communication. And I wrote a book, 101 Team Building Exercises. Get it now on Amazon.